Tiruvannamalai. This is batch 12.
12th batch.
Okay, 12th batch.
We are really thanks to Jacob Bhaiya. We experienced very good here. The experience what we had, we would have never been. From last so many months, we are with Jacob Bhaiya. So we are very much thankful to him.
Words will fall short if you try to explain, but in a very short form, I can say he is really helping us in our journey towards ultimate, which in this lifetime it seems impossible for me without this ultimate and rare wisdom and knowledge. Lots of love and gratitude from my core of my heart.
Especially Grihastha like us to overcome all the problems and attachment and desires, how to overcome smoothly. Within these years we learned from him. Thank you Jacob Bhai. And I explained in the board, बुलक्कड़ like मैं ना वो भूल ही नहीं सकती हूँ. मतलब ये जो छाप मेरे अंदर हो गया है, तो बहुत ही grateful to him. Thank you.
So I thought initially Jacob ji is it is well known that he is multi-talented, and this batch I come to know that he is also proved in teaching. So can you explain?
I would like to thank Jacob ji for this retreat. I feel we are all very blessed, and as Puneet ji said, his experience, I truly feel whatever Jacob ji is teaching, I can see that I'm connecting with it very well. When I journey, I can see that I've come a long way, and I hope that we can all just keep on evolving as we go on. And I would not like to comment on his teaching. He's a very good teacher, so whatever he teaches, it comes from within, so that cannot be assessed.
Good reply for you. You're trying to pull my leg.
There's no evaluation.
Wrong comments. Won't teach you anymore.
They know that I'm not that.
Yeah, I would like to thank Jacob Bhaiya. And my journey started last year in Ganesh Puri when he was taking a webinar on Baba Nityananda Chidakash Gita on 13th July, the Baba's Tithi. I have seen a post that on 13th July, Nityananda Baba's Tithi is there, and the next post was his Facebook where he said that we will be deepening that what Chidakash Gita, what all verses are saying in that. And from there, I have never left Jacob Bhaiya any session, whatever the topic is. And it is a blissful experience every now and then. This is a third retreat of mine. And the post which he posted that this level 2 theme will be that you are a Parambhairava, and you can generate your own grace. And the explanation which has gone through the last 4 days, I have experienced that I am only the one who is generating the grace for myself and no one else. And I really would like to thank Jacob Bhaiya for making us experience all this, whatever is there in the higher scriptures. Thank you, Jacob Bhaiya. Rekha.
Who is Rekha?
Padma Rekha.
Oh, it's been a wonderful journey. How do I even put it? I was, to be frank, an ardent devotee of Babaji. So when he stopped taking up Shivas, my world just crumbled down, and have questioned him n number of times as to how he could leave me midway in the spiritual path. And I felt I couldn't progress further, even though he had given me the highest Diksha possible. But once, a gap of 6 months or less than that, I somehow started watching Jacob Ji's Facebook sessions. It was not like, I used to sit and listen to him. It used to be 6 hours, 8 hours session. But I used to keep cooking and I used to keep listening to him. But there was something which made sense. Every sentence he spoke made a lot of sense. That's how I got into it. And slowly I all this feels so mystical. It makes no sense that how could I get attracted so much and how my family members agreed to send me for a retreat. All this is nothing but sheer grace. And I hope, Bhaiya, that our journey with you continues. Thank you so very much.
Why not?
Thank you so much, Bhaiya. Really, I cannot express my words. Frankly telling me, she will listen and she will explain to me. And this I cannot have, I am going some work, something, I cannot able to listen. She will explain to me, and this are all Jacob Ji told all the things. Then after that I will listen. I can learn, I can be able to clear it. It will wholeheartedly, it will go into my mind. Then I am watching all the videos and all. And during the corona time, it helped me a lot. My husband also sometimes he will listen. Every time you are sitting, every Sunday you are not coming out. Every Sunday you are sitting with Jacob Ji. It's okay. He will also, okay, he will tell. Really, I am so happy. Today, this time, I don't know. This is, I am eligible or not, I also don't know. Anyway, I registered and I came. Really, it's for me very helpful only. Thank you so much, Bhaiya.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Jacob ji.
Thank you.
First of all, from the last time to this time, my health itself is so blossomed, and everybody must have seen the changes. So I see it as well, evidently, that how stronger I have been this time, how I'm able to sort of stay grounded. That way, I think it's a leaps and bounds of experiences for me. It is just amazing. Thank you.
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल थैंक यू भैया. मैं अगर ये सबको ही ग्रेटिट्यूड के लिए बताना है या रिट्रीट के लिए या अपना एक्सपीरियंस जो भी है, वो टोटलिटी में मैं यही कह सकती हूँ, इसका 100% अवेयरनेस का या इस सारी स्पिरिचुअलिटी का जो भैया सिखाते हैं वो हमें प्रैक्टिस से उसका कहते हैं ना स्वाद चखना जरूरी है. क्योंकि हमें ये नहीं पता कि टफ टाइम और उथल पुथल कब होना है. जब हम इसको अभी नॉर्मल लाइफ में भी करते रहते हैं तो वो जब टफ टाइम आता है, ये मैंने पहले भी शेयर किया था, वो इतना आराम से निकलना शुरू हो जाता है. और ये मेरा पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस है. 6 महीने बहुत लाइफ में उथल पुथल रहा है, पर्सनल हेल्थ सब कुछ, पर उसमें और भी, क्योंकि उससे पहले शुरू कर दिया था, 1-1.5 साल पहले से भैया के साथ कर रहे हैं, तो वो समय आया और वो एक्सेप्टेंस और वो एक तरीके से ऐसा लगा हमारे ऊपर बीमारी या दुख या परेशानी नहीं आई है, ऐसा लगा अनुग्रह शक्ति आई है. जस्ट अप्रोच ही चेंज हो गई बिल्कुल. जो मतलब बहुत मुश्किल है, जिस तरीके से भैया ने जो अप्रोच दी है, जो सिखाया है, वो बिल्कुल ही हर चीज को लेकर अप्रोच. अगर अब दुख होता है, दर्द होता है, तो ऐसा लगता है हाँ उधर देखना है, वो चला जाएगा. वो एक अनुग्रह शक्ति है. और वो एक ये है, एक नई अप्रोच दी. अच्छा है जो भोग के निकल रहा है, खत्म हो रहा है, तो तुम अल्टीमेट गोल के और पास आ रहे हो. पता सबको होता है, लिखा सब कुछ होता है. वो एक्सपीरियंस जो भैया ने कराया बिल्कुल बहुत ट्रेमेंडस. और जिस तरीके से हर ऐसा नहीं है वो गुरु ऐसे हैं या फिर टीचर ऐसे हैं जो एक बहुत दूर बैठे हैं और जब जिनसे हम पर जो हम उनसे हमें कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा तो हम उनसे क्वेश्चन आंसर कर सकते हैं. हम अपना क्लैरिटी, क्योंकि बहुत कुछ चीजें क्या होता है कि आ जात बोला किसी ने, समझ आ गया, वो पर अपनी इंटरप्रिटेशन होती है. और अपनी इंटरप्रिटेशन में कभी कभी हम बहुत सारी चीजें इतने सालों से गलत भी कर रहे होते हैं. अभी भैया के साथ क्या है, भैया इतना क्लैरिटी सेशंस रखते हैं, हम कभी भी पूछ सकते हैं. बहुत उससे इतनी ज्यादा क्लैरिटी होती है, उससे हमारे जो पाथ की क्लैरिटी होती है, हम जो प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं उसकी क्लैरिटी होती है, प्रैक्टिस में और आगे कैसे बढ़ रहे हैं उसकी क्लैरिटी होती है. लाइफ में तो छोटे छोटे एक्शंस की बहुत ही ज्यादा हो जाती है. तो भैया का टीचिंग, भैया का पढ़ाने का तरीका, भैया का सिखाने का तरीका, प्रैक्टिस का तरीका, कि कोई सुबह शाम वो नहीं है, वो सारी कॉन्सेप्ट जो छुड़ाना this hats off. Thank you so much भैया, thank you.
थैंक यू जैकब जी। आपने जो स्पिरिचुअल जर्नी को आगे बढ़ाने के लिए जो एक अप्रोच दी है वो बहुत डिफरेंट है। किस तरह से मतलब अवेयरनेस के साथ मन पर कैसे विजय पाया जाए, थॉट्स को कैसे रिलीज किया जाए, वो सब जो दिया है और इतने आसान तरीके से दिया है, और वो भी उस अल्टीमेट सोर्स तक पहुंचने के लिए इतने आसान तरीके से जो बताया है उसके लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। वरना क्या होता है, सारे स्पिरिचुअल पाथ में बहुत अलग तरह से बताया जाता है, जब कर लो तब कर लो, ये माला जप लो, वो कर लो, वो सब कुछ नहीं। ये सब कॉन्सेप्ट बता करके कोई भी इस चीज़ को नहीं अप्रोच करता, वरना तो ये बिल्कुल ही डिफरेंट है, जो नहीं कहीं देखा सुना कहीं नहीं जाता। तो इस तरह से अलग नज़रिया स्पिरिचुअल जर्नी का देने के लिए आपको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। थैंक यू।
Thank you, Bhaiya.
Thank you.
The clarity was he is giving to us with respect to the last concept which we needs to hold to get rid of to all the concepts that which we needed, which no one is giving, or we are going round and round in spirituality or otherwise also with our own intelligence or knowing. But the clarity he has given, it's the ultimate truth, and we know where to go, where we are heading, and there is no right and left we have to think or confusion about anything, because he is always there to clarify and make it subjective experience and not just the theory part. And the way he explained today, it is like, I guess everyone will agree that our lot of janmas has come down. Like, we have been roaming from many lifetimes, and now we have known that what is it, what is Parabhairav, what is the main nothingness, the hollowness. So I guess I'm very grateful, and we are all grateful that our lifetime journeys he has reduced to some few janmas, I feel, and we'll reach to the ultimate. So, thank you.
Thank you. Review from psychologists.
Thank you so much, Jacob ji. When I was introduced to Jacob ji and his YouTube videos, right, I started to listen to him. And when Harshada told me about the retreat, I was like, "Abhi aur kya janna hai?" I know, but now I know that I don't know anything. Right? It's just the beginning of knowing who am I, what am I, right? Because I thought I know who am I, but right now I know I don't know who am I. I'm still on the first step of knowing who am I. And that's a wonderful experience that he has given in these last 8 days. Specifically, I thought that when I think about something, behind that there are no thoughts which are going on. Yes, there are thoughts, but still very few. But now I know what is nothingness. I just got the glimpse of it, and I'm like, wow, now I will follow it more. Whatever kind of techniques that he has given to us, by following that we can understand what is nothingness, what is self. So that's very important, and I look forward to more retreats, that's for sure. So thank you so much. Thank you.
एक और बात बोलनी थी हमको, जो स्पिरिचुअल में एक्चुअली क्या हमारा पर्सपेक्टिव था, देवी देवताओं उनको प्रसन्न करने से हमको मुक्ति हो जाएगा। लेकिन जेकब भाई जब सिखाते हैं वो देवी देवता सब हम ही है, हमारे अंदर ही है वो शक्ति, उसको बाहर ढूंढने की लिए ज़रूरत नहीं है। हम ऑब्जेक्टिव तरह से हम पूरे जन्म निकाल लेते हैं भगवान को ढूंढ ढूंढ कर। अभी इसमें सब्जेक्टिव अवेयरनेस में मेरा अंदर ही वो शक्ति है, मुझे मुक्ति पाना है, मुझे काम करना है, मुझे क्या क्या निकालना है मेरे अंदर से, जो कॉन्सेप्ट्स है वो कैसे करना है, वो कोई नहीं सिखाते हैं, किधर भी नहीं सिखाते हैं। और इतना डीप स्पिरिचुअल टीचिंग्स है रमना का, निसर्गदत्ता का, जो भी हाईएस्ट स्पिरिचुअल टीचिंग्स है वो सब कौन समझाते हैं। बाहर से आप रीड करके देखोगे आपको कुछ भी नहीं समझ आएगा, जो अंदर इतना डीप है जो मुक्ति के लिए बोला है। खाली भगवान को पाने के लिए नहीं, हमारा डिजायर्स को खत्म करने के लिए नहीं, अचीव करने के लिए नहीं है। जो हमारा एम है मुक्ति, उसके लिए क्या करना चाहिए, ये रियल टीचिंग जेकब जी हमको सिखा रहे हैं। इसलिए हम इतना फ्री हो गए जिंदगी में, इतना फ्री हो गए, तो हमारा एम की तरफ बढ़ने के लिए वो इतना हमको हेल्पफुल होता है। थैंक यू भाई, थैंक यू वेरी मच।
I know you wouldn't like us clapping, but still.
No, that's okay. See, I didn't want recording. I told them no recording. 2 retreats back, I've stopped.
ये लिख नहीं पाते भैया, लिख
I know. I said we'll have a photo, but then Rajalakshmi started. Then I didn't want.
ये नॉलेज पहुंचना चाहिए, मतलब सब हमारे जैसे तड़पने वाले बहुत है। मतलब ये क्या है स्पिरिचुअलिटी, क्या है रियल स्पिरिचुअलिटी, क्या है।
And one thing we discussed yesterday about Jacob ji. So in this generation, we never seen outputs. So many outputs are there, but output for us is Jacob ji.
Yes, surely, surely.
उसका पैरों का धूल तक नहीं है।
नहीं, वो पूरे हमारे पीछे लग जाते हैं, मतलब इतना स्ट्रिक्टली लग जाते हैं हम, मतलब प्रैक्टिस से चुप जाने से हम अंदर से इतना डर लगता है, लग जाता है उनसे बाहर।
लेकिन एक बात पता चल गया, आप लोगों को फिर से अवधूत गीता सिखाना पड़ेगा कि अवधूत कौन होते हैं।
So one day
our
next generation will read about you, sir.
नहीं, टाइम लिमिट नहीं है, टाइम लिमिट नहीं है, नो टाइम फॉर हिम, मतलब इतना टाइम लिमिट ही नहीं है सिखाने के लिए। वो इतना तत्परता से सिखाते हैं, मतलब उनको टाइम के बारे में खुद ही पता नहीं चलता, इतना
सफर आप लोगों को करना पड़ता है।
नहीं, हमको इतना परफेक्ट करने के लिए इतना स्ट्रेन कर रहे हैं खुद को।
मैंने बहुत कुछ बोला था, बट एक बार और बोल देता हूँ।
भी बहुत ही धन्यवाद है, गौरी को इतना धन्यवाद है, मतलब वो सडनली उसके अंदर से इतना आंसर्स आ जाता है। अमेजिंग टू सी दिस चिल्ड्रन।
Gauri, a few words. What you learned, it might be useful for the children. Yes.
Please, madam.
She's 10 years old.
Before words, when I came last time, Bhaiya mentioned a little about subjective awareness, but it got over my head. But this time, it was very much more in detail. We understood that to see everything in a subjective point of view, we have to find the hardcore of it, and using a presence, read the self. At first I thought, how can I do that? But after some practices it worked. Normally when all of them go 1 hour, 1.5 hour, I can sit. 15 minutes, 30 minutes I can go. That's enough for me to realize I can do it when I have to.
Super. What is one example of subjective awareness? आपको जो you said I got it now. Subjective awareness.
Using my presence, I can. Our heart we used to read the self for a little time. I tried with Arunachal. I could do a little.
You are
Self.
explaining in detail, you know.
Yeah. I'm still poking her to go in
And I
detail.
saw her interest. She came and sat for the whole the session.
All the sessions he was here in front and asking questions nobody's asking, pointing out tooth mistakes on the board, and I had to rub and do the errors.
And remembering things as well.
Yes, remembering which we forget.
For all I've said, thank you. I will also say thank you. Really, the journey has been very unique, and your perseverance with all of us is out of the world. Matlab, it's very difficult to find masters who guide you with so much of passion. It's not only about knowing, it's also about translating the knowing into telling us how to know. So extremely grateful, and I said one thing which I'll repeat. We seek your continued guidance. These are not very easy things to do. We will need your continued guidance so that ultimately we reach where you want us to reach, that we become effortless in our journey. So thank you, and we look forward to working a lot with you in future. Thank you.
The growth we see in this hardly a year or so has been tremendous. We ourselves can sense it, our family members can feel it. It's amazing growth, what we can say it. So we have kind of got a feeling that probably we can achieve where Bhaiya wants us to reach. Yeah.
We all pray for that.
Thank you so much.
First of all, this Arunachala Tattva, because of which we cannot do anything. You know, it's impossible. I realize it's not in my capacity. Hamari औकात नहीं है. Arunachala Tattva main, the Shiva Tattva here, Ramana's presence, Ramana's beautiful grace that I have always received, all the Avadutas that I have visited, their blessings, my own Gurudev whom I love so much. Past 8 years I've been with him and received so much of love and, you know, attention and grace that I still receive. I'm very emotional about it. So my thanks go to all of them, because I tell these people it is not personality. My guru is not a personality. I am not a personality. We are not personality. This is the tattva that's working. The Murugan tattva, Skanda. The tattva works through many people, and I can see how the Shiva tattva works through the Guru tattva, and that reaches us to realize that we are only that Shiva. That's the beautiful analogy and, you know, experience that we have. So all gratefulness to the Arunachala tattva, in whose lap we sit here and learn so much. Because if I do this somewhere else, I don't think it will be so powerful here, you know. And my whole heart gratitude that Arunachala even chose two beautiful souls, Ashok Bhai and Raj Lakshmi. They only approached, Ashok Bhai approached, they made it possible. So it is his work that I have always got people in all walks of life supporting me. And whatever I needed when there was no money or things like that in the start for 1 year, people just came forward. All these things fell in place. And, you know, I cannot do it alone. I know. Still, I cannot do it alone. And everybody is there together, this love feeling and togetherness. Though I am strict and all, but there is a lot of love for everybody and compassion. And the beautiful extending family that, you know, online we had this time 15 people sign up. They were very eager, and 4 full days from morning 6 to evening, sometimes 9 and all that. They were all together from different countries, from Mauritius, from US, from other parts of India and all that. It is their intensity. I can't believe, you know, somebody 13 hours difference. We are having full daytime and somebody is not sleeping whole night there, and they have to go to work and adjusting. And here we have people like Ratna and all this, all in their work. They're working from here. Night they work, and, you know, extra time they work, still putting. So that passion which you guys all have, and I could see 1.5 or 2 hours, nobody shook their head, no spine shaking, all aware, nobody sleeping, nobody gone into samadhi, all fully aware, in deep awareness. That gives me the courage that, and the confidence that things are working fine and things are going fine, including all the people on webinars who talk about their deep stillness and purification and purging. I'm sorry, Murli ji is not here. He had deep purging event. Some of us had, but it got adjusted, but he could not attend completely. So all these things happen mystically, and there is deep healing and releases taking place and huge transformation taking place, which, as she said, we notice and family members notice. I am seeing my own evolution with you guys, you know, while, because I teach and I also evolve. So I am also selfish in teaching because I gain a lot when I do this. So we are all in mutual benefit. So to all watching this also, I know there are many people who are connected in so many ways. I take this opportunity to thank every one of you, all present here, all watching online, Raj Lakshmi and Ashok Bhai, all our cooks and all these people, everybody, all in Tiruvannamalai who make things so wonderful for us. Thank you so much. Look at Pittu. Is it go?
She knows everything.
She knows. She's aware of everything. उससे फोटो ले लो संदेश भाई और
इसके कैमरा में देखना।
दोनों के कैमरा
सेंटर में देखो।
सेंटर में देखो